Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to change the font size of plot labels in MATLAB. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like the font size of your plot labels in MATLAB to be larger or smaller than what the default size is, so I'll be showing you how to change the font size of plot labels in MATLAB today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I already have my plot here, so I'm just going to run the code for my plot. And as you can see, I have a very tiny x-axis label over here at the bottom. So now let's try and make that larger. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go inside the x label function and inside the label of this x, and you're going to type a backslash, and you're going to type font size and then a pair of curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets you're going to type the size of the font that you want. So I'm going to go with 15, and now if I run this, as you can see, my font size is slightly larger than what it was. It's also larger than the actual title, so you can obviously also change the font size of the title of your plot. And yeah, that is basically it. If you wanted to know how to change the font size of plot labels in MATLAB, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.